How to use ChatGPT for better grammar and professional writing. Is your grammar not so good? Or do you find it hard to write in a language you don't speak well? Maybe you are not sure how to write a professional email. No worries, I got you covered. Let's get started with the video. First, go to ChatGPT. You don't need the paid version. The free one is fine. If you want to fix your grammar, just type "make this grammar correct." If you don't want too many changes, you can add, but don't change too much. Then, paste your text below. You will see it gets better. And you can be sure the grammar is right. To translate your text, like turning it into German, type "translate this text into German." Now, your text is in German and the grammar is fixed. For professional touch, like for emails or official documents, type "make this text more professional." If you need something specific, like a more formal email or a report that fits school requirements, just be clear about it. Say something like "make this email formal for a business question" or "make this report right for school." The more specific you are, the better ChatGPT can adjust the tone and style. ChatGPT is great for fixing grammar, translating, and making your writing sound more professional, helping you communicate well in different situations. This is all what you need to know. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you want more tutorials like this.